My name's Scott Withy, and I'm a HVAC instructor for Lord Fairfax Community College NCCER program. For about 20 years, I've worked in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning within residential fields and commercial and industrial fields. Most of us start off in a residential position as an apprentice, and you're learning how to build duct work and how the systems work, and moving into an installation environment. From there, you can grow to become a service technician and move into industrial, commercial, maybe even work union jobs. A typical day within the HVAC field would consist of an early morning. You start around 6 to 7 o'clock. You can work in some harsh environments. You'll find yourself out in the rain sometimes when it's raining. Depending on the person's personality, you might find that it's very satisfying and gratifying job. When I look for people to enter the HVAC field, I look at people that have a mechanical inclination, a guy that can change his own oil, or a lady that can change her own oil, or try to figure out little things with computers. Even people with computer experience and troubleshooting, they usually work out very good in the field. You usually find most people entering around $20 an hour, about $40,000, $50,000 a year. And that can branch out depending on your career path, $100,000 a year to $150,000 a year just being a technician. And if you're a business owner, well, that depends on you and how much you want to grow. So I know guys that gross $4.5 million a year in their company. If someone's entering and taking this course, expect that you're going to get some hands-on experience, some basic knowledge. They should most likely want to try to get in the field immediately. That way the class makes more sense to them. Within the first year, we usually teach them how to braze and how to soft solder copper. We teach them how to thread iron pipe, PVC connections. We teach them some basic furnace operations, heat pump operations. In the second year, they move more into the refrigerant flow and how everything works. As they move into third year, it's more of a troubleshooting year. They really get into troubleshooting systems and get a really good hands-on feel for how everything is connected. And by fourth year, we're moving into commercial. The weekly expectations is, we give you homework, you do your homework, you come and take a test every week. We do some small hands-on labs every week. And by the end of the course, you should be ready to be a full-fledged apprentice or possibly a junior mechanic. We have over 200,000 positions available out there in this field. And if you're looking to have a good, steady job, possibly support a family, or even start your own business, this is a great place to start.